Moodle is one of several instructional tools that is included within the larger suite of academic technologies known as WolfWare. Additional WolfWare tools include MediaSite, Zoom, Google Groups, and WolfWare WordPress. In order to use Moodle in your course, you must first request a space in WolfWare and then activate Moodle in it. To start, go to wolfware.ncsu.edu and log in using your NC State Unity ID. The first screen you will see is your My WolfWare page with several tabs at the top. Any registration and records courses for which you are listed as an instructor for the current semester are listed under the Current tab. Locate the course under the Current tab, and then click the gear icon to the right of the course name. You can then click the Request WolfWare Space button. The next screen will be the Course Management page. You can see that Course Management is highlighted in the menu at the left. Scroll down to the heading Inactive Tools, and locate the Moodle row in the table. Go to the last column and click on the Activate link. This will take you to the Moodle Settings page. You can see that Moodle is highlighted under the WolfWare Tools menu at the left. You can click on the blue tooltip icons to learn more about each setting, but for now, just leave these settings as default. A Quick Start course shell is available to help instructors set up courses more easily in Moodle. To use it, scroll to the bottom and locate the Moodle Course Copier section. Click on the drop-down menu under Source and select Quick Start Course Shell. Then click Request Course Copy. In about an hour or so, you'll receive an email confirmation that the creation of your new Moodle course has been completed. When you go back to wolfware.ncsu.edu, on your My WolfWare page, you will see a Moodle icon next to the course name. Click on the icon to go to the Moodle course. Welcome to your new Moodle course. At the top, you'll see a red banner with the course name on the right side. Directly underneath the banner on the left side is a set of links called breadcrumbs. The last link shows your current location within Moodle. If you want to go back to WolfWare, click on the first link. If you need to get back to the main Moodle course page, click on the name of the course in the breadcrumbs link. At the top left of the screen is a button with a 3-line menu icon. Click this button to open and close the navigation drawer where you can see the list of all the modules. You'll see that the main area of the Moodle course homepage is organized into sections or modules. On the right side is an area containing blocks with information and links. The top section is a great place to put information that students will need quick and easy access to, such as the course syllabus, a schedule, and the announcements forum. The announcements forum in Moodle is a very useful tool for communicating information to your students. Only instructors have permission to post to the announcements forum, and students automatically receive an email when a new announcement is posted. To post to the announcements forum, click on the announcements link in the top section. Click on the Add a New Topic button. Enter a subject line, for example, Moving Class Online. Type inside the message editor. You may want to say something like, Greetings. There will be some changes happening as we move to online delivery of the class. Please go to wolfware.ncsu.edu and follow the link to the course. Important announcements and class materials will be available in Moodle. If you need to contact me, please contact me at my email address. Then scroll down and click on the Post to Forum button. Students will receive an email with your announcement, and they can view all previous announcements by going to the Announcements forum in Moodle. If you would like to add instructional materials to your Moodle course, you will first need to turn editing on. At the top right of the Moodle homepage, underneath the banner, click on the large gear icon. Select the first option in the menu, Turn Editing On. Notice there are now icons and edit links beside each section and item. Scroll down to Module 1. You'll see that it has been pre-filled with some placeholder labels and instructions. The easiest way to add a file is by dragging it directly into a module. Once you have put the file in the module, you can move it under the Instructional Materials label by clicking the cross arrow icon on the left and dragging it to the desired location. If you would like to edit the name of the file to make it more descriptive, click on the pencil icon next to the name. Type the new name and hit Enter or Return on your keyboard to save the changes. If you'd like to learn more about adding resources and activities to Moodle, you can do so by clicking on the link in the description of this video. For additional guidance on using the Quick Start course shell, click on the link in the yellow box at the top of the Moodle course homepage to access the help document. The instructor resources block, which is hidden from students, contains helpful links if you need further assistance. If you would like to learn more about using Moodle, there is a link to register for the self-paced Teaching with Moodle course. You may also refer to additional links in the video description. Click on the Delta Workshops link to see a full list of Teaching with Technology workshops, including Moodle and Zoom. For technical assistance with Moodle, Zoom, or any of the WolfWare technologies, please contact Delta's LearnTech Help Desk.